As we age, muscle loss becomes one of the most common and troubling challenges we face. By the time we reach 60, many of us begin to notice a gradual decline in muscle mass, strength, and mobility. This condition, known as sarcopenia, can make simple tasks like lifting groceries, walking upstairs, or even getting out of a chair feel difficult and exhausting. But what if I told you there's a simple and affordable food that can stop muscle loss fast after 60, helping you rebuild strength and regain your vitality? It might sound too good to be true, but doctors are shocked by the powerful effects of this food, and it's something you can eat every night. I'm Dr. Nancy Weller, and today I'm going to reveal the food that's been proven to help seniors stop muscle loss in its tracks. It's not some expensive supplement or protein powder. It's a food that's readily available, easy to prepare, and offers a wealth of health benefits for seniors. The food I'm talking about is collagen. Collagen, often associated with skin health, is one of the most powerful tools we have to combat muscle loss after 60. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, and it's a key building block for our muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. As we get older, our body's natural collagen production slows down, leading to weaker muscles, joints that creak and stiffen, and more frequent aches and pains. This loss of collagen contributes directly to sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. However, by adding collagen to your diet, you can dramatically slow this process down and even begin to rebuild lost muscle tissue. You might be wondering, how can eating collagen every night help stop muscle loss? It all comes down to how collagen supports your body. Collagen is made up of amino acids, particularly glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are essential for muscle repair and growth. When you consume collagen, your body breaks it down into these amino acids, which are then used to rebuild muscle fibers and repair tissue damage. This process is particularly crucial as we age, because our body's ability to repair muscle tissue and build new muscle fibers diminishes over time. The most effective way to boost your collagen intake is by consuming it in the form of collagen peptides, a highly bioavailable form of collagen that your body can easily absorb. Collagen peptides come in powder or liquid form and can be easily mixed into smoothies, drinks, or even meals. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that can provide powerful benefits for your muscles, joints, and overall health. But what makes collagen so special in stopping muscle loss? Collagen not only supports muscle regeneration, but also helps maintain joint health, which is essential for staying active and moving freely. As we age, we're more likely to experience joint stiffness and pain, which can limit our ability to exercise or perform daily tasks. Collagen helps improve the integrity of cartilage, the tissue that cushions our joints, and can reduce inflammation and joint pain. This means that by strengthening both your muscles and joints, collagen allows you to stay active, continue exercising, and rebuild your muscle mass. In addition to its muscle and joint benefits, collagen plays a crucial role in bone health. Collagen is a key component of bone structure, and as we age, the collagen in our bones begins to break down. This contributes to bone density loss, making bones more fragile and susceptible to fractures. By consuming collagen regularly, you can help support your bone health, reduce your risk of fractures, and create a stronger foundation for muscle repair and growth. The impact of collagen on muscle mass is not just theoretical, scientific research backs it up. Studies have shown that collagen supplementation significantly increases muscle mass and strength in seniors. In one clinical trial, participants who took collagen peptides saw a 10% increase in muscle mass and strength after just a few months of daily collagen supplementation. This is especially important for seniors who may have lost muscle mass due to sarcopenia, as it provides a natural way to regain strength without the need for intensive exercise or costly supplements. Now, you might be thinking, how do I incorporate collagen into my diet? The great thing about collagen is that it's incredibly easy to add to your daily routine. Collagen peptides can be mixed into your favorite beverages like coffee, tea, smoothies, or even water. You can also incorporate collagen into your meals by adding it to soups, stews, or baked goods. Many people find that a scoop of collagen powder in their nightly routine is the perfect way to support muscle repair and recovery overnight. Collagen is not only a great way to stop muscle loss, but also helps improve skin elasticity and hair health, making it a fantastic anti-aging supplement that benefits your appearance as well as your muscle and joint health. As you get older, maintaining a youthful appearance becomes just as important as maintaining strength, and collagen can help with both. The key to using collagen effectively is consistency. If you want to stop muscle loss fast after 60, you need to make collagen a part of your daily routine. Just a small scoop of collagen powder added to your nightly drink or meal can help support muscle repair and rebuild your strength over time. While results may vary depending on the individual, studies suggest that taking collagen consistently for at least 4 to 6 weeks can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle mass and overall strength. In conclusion, if you're looking for an easy, natural, and highly effective way to stop muscle loss and support your overall health, collagen is the food you need to add to your diet. Not only does it offer more benefits than protein powder, but it also supports joint health, bone density, and skin health, making it the ultimate supplement for seniors looking to maintain strength, reduce pain, and stay active as they age. So, start incorporating collagen into your diet every night and experience the powerful effects it has on your muscle health, joint function, and overall well-being. You'll be amazed at how quickly it can help you regain your strength and vitality.